Good morning, children. Today I am taking the second chapter for my revision, and that is Tenali Rama and the thieves. See, children, in this particular chapter, who are there? You know, I think, because already I have told you. See, so in this particular chapter, there is a king. There is a king, Krishna Devaraya. We know that. King Krishna Devaraya, and there is a minister called Tenali Rama. And this particular king, Krishna Devaraya, is a ruler of Vijayanagar kingdom. And so, this king is very much tensed, and he is very much worried because some thieves have already entered in his kingdom, and therefore he wants to catch, but he is a failure. He is not able to catch those thieves. So he asks his minister Tenali Rama some idea. Please, if you have any idea, please give me. So Tenali Rama says, okay, no problem. I will do something for these thieves. So what he does, he pretends to be getting plenty of money from the neighbors, and he tells his wife that you go in the kingdom and surrounding areas and spread the rumors. And then likewise she does, and then what happens? The head of these thieves, or especially the servant one who was in his house, he gives information to the gang of thieves, to the head of the gang, or the leader of the gang. He gives information to the leader of the gang, and then what happens? One day they come in the Tenali's house and in the garden, and then what happens? Tenali Rama and his wife, they have hidden the money inside the well, and then what happens? These thieves come quietly at night. They draw water from the well, and such a way they worked that they were very tired, and they drew water from the well, and their whole garden was watered. Everywhere water was filled. And then at night, Tenali Rama comes and says, "Stop, boys, stop." And then all these thieves look at Tenali Rama, and then what happens at the end? All these thieves are caught up by the police, and they are taken to the jail. So, children, this is the story how Tenali Rama proved his cleverness to the king Krishna Devaraya. So, he is very clever man. Tenali Rama is very, very clever and very intelligent person. Okay. So, children, now I am going to give you some questions for your writings. So, in the revision copy, you have to write it down. See, there is first one, fill in the blanks, or choose the correct option. Choose the correct options. You have to learn it. See, in exercise A it is there. Exercise A. Then, see, answer the following question. So, you have to answer. I am giving you questions. True. Answer these questions. A. Why was the king upset with the police force? Why was the king upset with the police force? B. Why did the chief of police seek Tenali Rama's help? why did the chief of police seek Tenali's help? Okay, up I am writing. C number. What rumors did Tenali ask his wife to spread? What rumors did Tenali ask to spread his ask his wife to spread? His wife to spread. D number, children, write down. How did Tenali fool the thieves into watering his garden? How did Tenali fool? How did Tenali fool the thieves into watering his garden? Question mark. Okay. So children, please learn all these answers and write in the revision copy. Now, C number C. Read the sentences from the story and answer the questions that follow. So it is reference to the context. That one you have to learn. So C number. The exercise C. Learn and write in the revision copy. It is reference to the context. There are 4 questions. Please write it down. And then learn the word meanings. Next one is learn the word meanings and write in the revision copy. Okay, children. So I have given you important questions. Please write, learn and write in the revision copy. I will continue again. Thank you for paying attention.